All right. Hello, everyone. I'm going to show you how to get your account set up on our Seed app, how to make a purchase of cryptocurrency using Atomic Wallet, and making a purchase of your first seed. And we're going to go from beginning to end. I'm going to tell you right now, you need to make sure that you have a picture of your license, the front and the back, with none of the edges or corners cut off. And you need to upload it onto your computer because you're going to need to upload it to Atomic Wallet for the KYC, which is the Know Your Customer. It's a regulatory function in the United States to prove your identity when it comes to purchasing crypto. So make sure you have a picture of the front and the back of your license or ID card, upload it to your computer. You can see I have mine right here on my desktop. I'm gonna blur it out, but you need them uploaded before we get started. So let's jump into it. You're on our vpppresale.live website. You can launch the app from either here at the bottom, or let's say you had gone through the website, you're on the invest page, you have this option right here. The video that I'm making right now is actually going to be right here in this spot. So you can launch the app by clicking on the bottom here. It's going to go ahead and open up our VPP Seed app. The first thing we're going to want to do is click on sign up to create our account. So I'm going to sign up. I'm going to go ahead and create a username, something that I know I'll use. That's something I like to put there. Put my name, my email, and then my password. Sign up. Once we're in, we have a few different options here. We can go to our wallet where we can import our wallet address. After we purchase a seed, we can go into our referral link, and we'll kind of dive into this once we get our wallet created and funded. And then of course, if we click right here, this is going to take us to where these seeds will be purchased. And you can see that there is TRX that we're going to need, and I'll explain that in just a second. And then you have our buy options here. But let's go ahead and get our wallet set up. So this is going to be using a wallet called TronLink. We're operating on the Tron network, and we're paying and distributing in USDT, which is the tethered stable currency to the American dollar. So it's 1-to-1. We did this because we want to be paid in the correct amount when you're purchasing a seed, and we want you to be paid out in something that does not fluctuate like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and something that's very cheap to move around. So we'll explain that, but the most important part here is we're going to go ahead and get our wallet set up. So I'm going to go ahead and click here on Go to Wallet, and you can see I have a public key, which this is the key that I will use to send my cryptocurrency to once I've made the purchase on Atomic Wallet. And then I have my private key, which is what I'm going to use to insert, upload and use the wallet that I have connected to this account. If you don't already have it, I'm sure you don't, you're going to want to install TronLink. Excuse me. You can click on this Install TronLink button. It's going to take us to tronlink.org. Download it on whatever device you're using. Let me be clear, if you're on your phone right now, I am going to have another video for that, but this is on the computer. I really highly recommend using the app, using crypto, anything you're going to do on a type of computer, a laptop or a desktop computer. You need to get on a computer. It's easier, there's more, the user interface is friendlier, and it's just easier to navigate overall. Even though we are mobile friendly, I'm going to show you how to use the desktop version. So what you're going to want to do is be on Google Chrome, because this is a Google Chrome extension. Not on Safari, not on Firefox. You need to use Google Chrome. Whether you're on a Mac or a PC, I need you to be using Google Chrome, because this is a DApp non-custodial wallet. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the browser extension. Oh, it looks like they did add it for Firefox. So if you're on Firefox, I apologize, go for the Firefox, but on this demonstration, we're going to use Google Chrome. So you click on this, go to the Google Chrome Web Store. You can see I already have it installed, but it would say install extension here or download extension right here, and you would do so, and it's actually going to appear at the top right of your menu right here under extensions. You can see I have a few under here: DuckDuckGo, TronLink, MetaMask. These are my two DApp wallets that I use, and this is where your TronLink's going to be. So if we go back over to our wallet here, right, I'm going to refresh the page just in case. I think I added some numbers right there. It looks like you can. So in our app, it looks like you can type some things here, but if you refresh the page, it's going to take those away. You don't want to add anything to your wallet. You want it to be the the private key there. So what we're going to do here is we're going to click up to our extension and we're going to add our TronLink wallet. This is the wallet that we're going to transfer the cryptocurrency that we purchase on Atomic, and it's also the wallet that we're going to be paid in on this Seed app. So this is a super important wallet. This private phrase, do not share it with anybody unless it is your wife or husband or somebody that you want to have access to your funds in case you pass away, or for some reason you don't trust yourself. Do not trust a single soul with this. What you're going to do is you're going to write it down. I mean, it's kind of a long one. I always write these down. You're going to write it down and you're going to keep it on a piece of paper. And I would put that in a safe or keep it somewhere where somebody is not going to get a hold of it. Don't store it on your phone. Do not store it on your computer. Do not store it anywhere. You will always be able to access it from this account, which is nice. But don't store it somewhere where somebody could get access to it that you don't want. You are responsible for the security there, okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and open up our TronLink here. So this is TronLink right here. You can see that I have my password ready to be entered in because I already have a wallet. For most people, you're going to see something that says create wallet or import wallet. You want to import wallet. Do not create a new wallet. You want to import a new wallet. Let's say you do create a new wallet. That's just fine. You can have an additional one here. I'm going to show you what it looks like once you're logged in. So whether you could create or import, you can get to the same options here, but I'm going to import this one right here. So if you're already logged in, let's say you hit create, that's okay. You're going to be looking at something like this. This is just one of my private wallets. Now I'm going to go up here to this plus sign where it says add wallet, add or import wallet, right? I'm going to click on that. And it's going to say request address, import wallet, pair hardware wallet. We're actually going to use the import right here. See, it says private key. Notice how we have a private key here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go back in here, my TronLink, import wallet, and you're going to paste it there. You see how I'm pasting it? And check the first four numbers and the last four numbers to make sure it's correctly pasted. 4981. 94E. Okay, see, just double check that. It looks like this the code's going to be a little bit longer, so if you slide like this, you're going to see there's more additional code. Make sure you have it all and double check that, right? It's going to deny it if it doesn't work, if you don't put it in correctly anyway. So I'm going to hit next. You're going to name your wallet. I'm going to call it VPP Seed Theory 11 with my username. Import seed wallet. Bam, now our wallet is connected. There's an additional step we want to do here. We want to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here, right? This is so that way we can add USDT. This is the tether currency I was talking about. We're going to hit the plus sign. See, now when I hit back, you can see I have all these listed here. And this is important because if we're looking at my main wallet here, you can see, like, I got some USDT in here. I got $120. I'm ready to buy a seed with this wallet. That's why it's there. And then some TRX, and we're going to show you exactly what that is. But let me go back to my Theory 11 wallet here.